So I was cruising through Facebook Marketplace and I noticed these video games for around 10 bucks. Didn't look like there was anything good in there, but I looked closer and saw the Warriors. It was for the PSP, looked it up, selling for around 40, 50 bucks. Thought, this is a good deal. Messaged the buyer and I'm on my way to pick it up now. Hey, how's it going? It's not an amazing find, but for 10 bucks, we got Flat Out 2, Guitar Hero 2, The Hustler, SOCOM, and the Warriors. This is what I went here for. So this should come in like 40, 50 bucks. Not bad. Okay, so I just cruised through Facebook Marketplace and stumbled upon a PS4 Darth Vader edition. He was asking $150, I made him a counter offer of $125, and he accepted, so I'm on my way to pick it up right now. A good negotiation tactic that you're gonna wanna remember is always give someone an incentive to accept your offer. So this item was sitting at $150. I said, hey, I'll give you $125 and I'll pick it up. That way they're happy to let it go for a lesser price. But yeah, I'll be right back.
What's up, man? I got 2 more controllers if you want them. One of them's kind of like just cracked on the edge, but it's not broken.
Sweet, yeah, I'll take it for sure.
All right, let me run in there and get it.
Okay, sweet, thank you.
I got 2 of them.
Okay.
All right, man. And shit, that one's just missing now.
Okay.
But they both.
Yeah, let me give you $5, man. I appreciate you.
No problem, man.
Okay, sweet, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so deal went smoothly. The guy was sick. He hooked me up with 2 more controllers. I threw him a 5 because he was already hooking me up. So we got the PS4 Darth Vader edition with 3 controllers for 130 bucks. Should sell for somewhere past 250. So I'm a happy camper. And we got another. This time we're picking up a Wii U I just found on Facebook Marketplace. She had a listed for 50 bucks and had another listing with a bunch of games in it. Out of the games she had, I only really wanted one. That was Super Smash Bros. So I made her an offer of 55 bucks for the Wii U console plus 1 game. And I'm thinking it's gonna sell for around 150 bucks. She did say there was 1 cord missing. I'm really hoping it's not the power cord, but I guess we'll see. All right, guys, the deal just went down. I popped the box in the back, but right now I need to head over quick and I'm gonna go through it and show you guys later. But right now I'm on a jet because I got to get across town to pick up a PS4 Slim that I just secured on Facebook Marketplace for 100 bucks.
Hey, how's it going? Okay, I've got everything in here.
Okay, you wanna count that up?
All right. 60, 81, and 1. Perfect.
Okay,
thank you so much. Have a great night.
Yes. Just finished up that 4th deal. I got to get back home right now because I have 2 bundles going out the door today. I sold the Sega Genesis bundle and a Sega Dreamcast bundle. Both sold on eBay. They need to be shipped out within the next few hours. So I'll catch up with you guys later and toss out a breakdown of what we picked up today. Let's see what we got. And here is the haul from today. Let's start off with this Nintendo Switch OLED. Now these are really hard to get, but luckily I found one on Target.com right when they became available, and I scooped one up at retail. Now remember, I'm going to use this Nintendo Switch OLED to trade for other collections of video games and systems through Facebook Marketplace. Again, thank you Phoenix Resale for bringing about that idea on YouTube. It has been successful for me so far, so I'm going to continue doing it. Next we got this Wii U, which we ended up paying $55 for, and it came with Super Smash Bros. Manual's a little bent up and damaged. I haven't yet cleaned the system yet, but from this view, it looks like it's just dust, dirt, and marks. Still seems good. Ooh, no stylus, that's a pain. And they didn't have the power cord, so ouch. But luckily, I have an extra power cord. She also gave 3 Wiimotes, not worth much there. Now on to these 5 games right here. These 4 games don't really command much value, but I will put those in a bin for a possible trade-in at another game store. This is the game we wanted to get. Remember, we paid $10 for all of this. And it is actually complete in really good condition. So I am definitely happy with that. Next, I came by and swooped up this Darth Vader edition PlayStation. He tossed in 2 more controllers, which I ended up giving him $5 for, and it also came with a controller. Quick note to mention, as you can see right here, the warranty stickers are still good to go. I always check that when I pick up PS4s because if those stickers are removed, it's an indication that the item has been refurbished or opened up in some sort of way because it needed to be cleaned. Lastly, we got this PS4 Slim 1 terabyte. Again, I like to check those warranty stickers, and this one looks to be intact, so that's awesome. And she threw in a really nice red and black controller. I'll probably end up pairing this controller with this Darth Vader PS4, since unfortunately I don't have the Star Wars Edition PS4 controller with me. So that'll be everything from this haul. But before we go, time for the numbers. Cost of goods for everything in this video is going to be $295. To ship everything out will be $53. Them fees, $100. Everything should sell quickly on eBay for $712. That leaves us with today's profit of $264. Hey, thank you for sticking around to the end. Like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you guys next time.